In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your workspace using Microsoft Edge Workspaces. This handy feature allows you to create, manage, and share browser sessions, keeping your tabs neatly organized and easily accessible. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Microsoft Edge open on your computer. Once you have it up and running, take a look at the top left corner of the browser window. There, you should see an icon that looks like a folder. This is the Workspaces icon. Click on it and you'll find all the tools you need to start organizing your workspace effectively. Next, to begin creating a new workspace, click on Create New Workspace. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workspace. Choosing a clear and descriptive name like school research or travel planning can really help later when you're managing multiple workspaces. After that, you'll want to pick a color for your workspace. This is a small but useful step as it helps in easily identifying different workspaces at a glance. Once you've named your workspace and picked a color, click Done. This action will open a new window dedicated to your new workspace, and here's where the fun begins. All the tabs you open in this window will be organized specifically within this workspace, helping separate and categorize your browsing activities. Now, to populate your workspace with meaningful information, you can start opening tabs as you usually would. A great feature of Edge Workspaces is that these tabs stay saved within the workspace, maintaining your progress and making it easy to pick up where you left off. For further flexibility in managing your tabs, you can drag and drop them to reorder them to your liking. If there are tabs you use frequently, right-clicking them will allow you to pin, move, or perform other organizational tasks, ensuring they remain in the desired position or order. When you're done working in a particular session for the day, or need to switch gears, simply close the workspace. Edge will save your open tabs, allowing you to return to exactly where you left off, without the hassle of reopening and reorganizing everything. For those who are working in teams, or need to share specific sets of tabs, you can share a workspace too. Click on your workspace name in the top left corner and select Invite to Workspace. Enter the recipient's email address and send the invitation. To manage your workspaces, click the Workspaces icon again. You'll see a list of all your created workspaces. Each workspace has 3 dots next to its name, granting you quick options to edit or delete as necessary. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to organizing your workspace with Microsoft Edge Workspaces. By utilizing these features, you can streamline your browsing experience and maintain an organized approach to managing your various tasks and projects. Happy browsing!